just me, or do y'all like love car washes? Because you know your girl does. Well, now you do at least. It's on my little brother, and let's watch. Cause why not? Don't ask why we love it, but we just do, because we do. Ah! Ah, so be so. Ah. And I think that's the end of it, but I'm not stopping recording until we get out of this thing, so. And it's done. Anyway, love y'all. Bye.